Okay, so the Milford Person Hoist, we have the wheelchair occupant in just a basic sling. The connection is a 4-point connection. We have the first connection on this side, we have a secondary connection on this side here, and then we have 2 centre point connections which simply connect in the centre, like so. So the hoist has multiple pivot points, and there are options for additional pivot points to be integrated into the system. Once you're up in the air, we simply move the occupant closer to the vehicle and pivot the arm, ready to go, and into the vehicle, like so. The lowering function, simply press the down motion or the down button on the handset, and that will lower the person into the seats. Okay, so once in the vehicle, we simply detach the sling from the mounts. The occupant stays seated within the sling at all times. We then bring the hoist arm back out, simply switch it off, unplug the system, and the whole arm is detachable from the vehicle. Okay, so reconnecting the hoist arm, we simply drop it back onto its original mount. We take the pivot post and simply drop that back onto the original mount as well, like so. One 3-pin power plug simply drops in and switch the system back on, ready to go. Okay, so to bring the occupant back out of the vehicle, we simply bring the Milford hoist in line with the occupant. Again, simply reconnect the 4 webbing connections. Now we press the up button. Brings the occupant up into the air. Once you're up into the air and you're happy, ready to come back out, we simply just guide the occupant back out of the vehicle and towards the chair. Using the pivot point to help along the way, we then press the down button, and that will lower the occupant down onto their chair, ready to go.